up, guys? I'm here with Alex. Alex has been a good friend of mine for a long time, and you can see his Evo. I think I showed you guys on the last, well, a few videos ago though. Got cams, E85. Oh yeah, sounds good. So I met up with Alex here though, because I had an issue with the Subaru for the first time. The car would not start for some reason. I'm not sure what's going on. He says the car is running too lean. So I'm gonna limp it home and hopefully everything is gonna be okay. But again, yeah, I'm here with Alex with the Evo. Best thing is to always get the Evo, man. If you get an Evo, no issues, right? Sick car though, man, sick car. So he's going to get the front lip painted, so that's the reason why he's missing the front lip right now. So, and again, the funny thing is when this car is on, you can't even hear mine that is on. Mine is just quiet compared to his own. Yeah, but we had that issue with the fuel, so I think we should be good for now though. So yep. What's up, guys? Another beautiful day. Actually, it's really beautiful today. Technically almost like the first day of spring when you think about it. Temperatures today are gonna be hitting high 60s, close to 70s. Right now it feels like it's 70. I haven't checked the weather focus yet, but I'm just wearing a shirt, a t-shirt. One issue, as you guys saw with the car, is you know, the car will not start, right? So this car got on the tow truck on yeah, it got damaged pretty bad. That's all the damages it got from the tow truck, man. It sucks. Yeah, the car will not start on Sunday when I went to wash it. So it's right after I washed it actually though. So when I was drying it and wanted to head back home, the car would not start. So that became an issue, right? So right now I took it to Yates Automotive in Gaithersburg. He's the former owner of Andrew Tech Automotive, and you know, great guy, Andrew himself, Andrew Yates, that's his name. And yeah, he got the car to start. Now he said it's the oxygen sensor that was bad or was wet. That's what prompted the front O2 sensor, my bad. That's what prompted the car not to start. So today our main thing is to start the car, see if it's gonna start the first time, and then see what happens. So yeah, man, that's the first time I've had an issue with this car. This car has been extremely reliable, and maybe I spoke too soon because actually I went over to Yates Automotive last week to buy oil for the white car, and he asked me how the Subaru was doing, and I said it's doing excellent. So maybe I should have just kept my mouth shut. Other than that, really the car has been great. But yeah, I'm kind of sad about the bumper, because you know that bumper is, I may have to get a new bumper. And if I do get an OEM bumper, that means it's now gonna have this extended piece up here that was put. So see, it's cracked pretty bad, right? See, yeah, it's all because of the tow truck driver, man. Normally I use another company called name of the company is called Airpark Towing, but they were not available, so I had to use whatever that was close, and I was in the middle of the road, so I was impeding traffic, so needed to get it done. Yeah, man, so that sucks. That's a bummer. Also, I'm gonna change this. I put this on Sunday too as well. I was just trying to see how they are. I wanted to paint them black. I'll spray them black, but they kind of look tacky. I don't like them, so I'm gonna just put the old ones in. The old ones are these guys up here, so I'll actually do that before I leave. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to start the car. I drove it yesterday, and like I said, when I picked up from the shop, it did not want to start. And also another thing that I did is when I got out of the shop, I did a second gear pull, wide open throttle, and there was a lot of black smoke that came out. And for the first time, my feedback knock went to like a -8. Usually the most it goes is like a -4, and that's it. But it went to a -8. But then again, maybe it was just trying to clear up the whole issue though, whatever. So with the O2 sensor that was replaced. Now I have 2 O2 sensors. Maybe the other one might be going bad, I'm not sure. So what I'm gonna do is first prime it. So I'm gonna let the fuel pump just prime the fuel. So here you go. All right, now let's start. That guy just drove by here, so the garage open, and now drove back. It's kind of weird. Now let me try to start it. Okay, started right away. The reason why you had the crank do that is I wasn't too sure it was gonna start, so I stayed on the key a little bit longer than I'm supposed to. So, but just want to make sure that it starts. So that's a good sign. So another test will be, I'm gonna take it to a gas station. I have a quarter tank of gas, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up and see what happens. See my air fuel correction on the carb axis is it's kind of all over the place, and and we also noticed that this guy does not read at all. So I don't know if it was kind of disabled by the tuner before, probably, I'm not sure. Yeah, but let me mess with this one. Let me see if this one is actually going to work. Let me give it a shot real quick. So when I moved it a little bit, it did read like a 14. So once I start driving, I'll see how it reacts. Right now it's just, nothing is showing, and I don't remember if that's how it's supposed to be. I mean, it's crazy. I haven't really paid attention to it too much. Mostly I'm checking the boost and the oil pressure. Normally that's what I normally check, but yeah, let's see. One thing, what else? Right now, like I said, the carb axis is a -10 right now. The lining never does anything, so and that's what I'm thinking, that it may have been disabled. So yeah, yesterday my feedback knock went to a -8. I've never seen it that high. The last time I saw anything that high was with my old car. Yeah, but this has been, like I said before many times, this has been the most reliable Subaru I've had, beside my 2004 I had before. As you guys know, for those that are new to the channel, I've had a 04, a 06, and this one is an 07. The 04 was the most reliable. The only thing it had is mechanical issues as far as the drivetrain. Like, I know on the 04 we replaced the drive shaft, the rear diff, so that was an issue. The 06 was actually good until we started messing with the engine. And again, as you guys know, gotta always take it to the right shop, man. You take it to the wrong shop, you're gonna end up spending way more money than you're supposed to. This one, I bought it with a built engine already though, but it's a 550 block from IAG. One of the first revisions of them. It was put in 2012. It's been there, has about like 77,000 miles on it. The car itself has 110,000 miles. So yeah, anyways, let's take it full spin. Let's see how things go. Hopefully the car is gonna be okay. So we can only hope for the best, right? So let me see. Okay, she's rated. As soon as I moved, she went to 15 on the gauge itself. So just gotta make sure that I close the gate. Yeah, it's closing. I've seen people that leave them open and then they might find some stuff missing. So anyways, hopefully this is gonna be a good drive. I did this on Sunday and came back on a tow truck, so hopefully this is gonna be a good drive. Something wrong with it, is not rated. Okay, see, it reads and goes, so it's probably a wiring issue though, or maybe the gauge is just gone bad, so we'll see. I'll keep an eye on it throughout. So right now, nothing. And yeah, if you guys hear that noise on the engine, it's really okay though. What happened is this is the guy that's driving around. It's just the heads. They do get quiet once the engine temp goes up. So it's not too bad. I know when I first bought it, the owner before, when they sent me the videos of the car and the car was idling, I thought it was knocking. So yeah, but we've done all the compression. Car is good. No issues with it at all. So it's a very stout engine though. But then also the tune was really good though. This car was tuned by Mikey. I think I've mentioned that before though. He tuned it though, and the car has been very good though. So, but I am reaching out to Junior though, and trying to see if he can get me in though. I think it's good to make sure that things are still good though, because like I say, this car was tuned a long time ago though, so it's good to get it tuned together. Driving with one hand. Typically don't do this driving with one hand. Yeah, but that thing is not reading though. It's just a 0. So I'll check it once I get back home. So yep. So just put gas on the car right now. I filled it up. So I want to see if it starts. I did pull over to another parking lot out here, turn off the car, started it, and it started fine. So I'm about to do it again. So I just want to prime it real quick, and then let me give it a shot. Yep, she started right away. So I think this issue is fixed. Now I'm just driving on the highway, on the interstate, then take it to the shop that fixed it yesterday. Just show him that the car is good. I did promise him I'll be there today. So yep, so far the car is good. The gauge right now is showing that it was right at 60.